Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about SENSEONICS Holdings INC, ticker symbol SENS. Now, although the price change looks quite on the negative side, but the most important thing is how the volume has spiked. And if you're looking at the EPS side, sales side, or the profitability side, so right now you can see the things are quite mixed. I mean, if the fundamentals are good and the price is down, so it definitely makes you think about the trend and why it is happening. So let's discuss on that and let's see what the price or how the chart has been updating. Now, before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button and also hit on the notification bell along with the all notification button to get my upcoming video notifications. Now, this is not at all a small company because the market cap is more than $1 billion. So, I mean, yes, till $2 billion, you can consider this as a small cap or mid cap, but $1 billion is not a small number. That's what I'm saying. And we have a spike in volume where the last 3 months average traded volume is 8.13 million and the last traded volume is more than 11 million shares. Apart from that, you have a high short ratio, so 9.3% is the short interest ratio. So can we expect something out of it? That's a big question. And where the stock is down by more than 50% from its 52-week high. Apart from that, all these ratings or the reports that the research reports that companies have generated are mostly on the sell side, and the latest one was August 19, 2021, where they have initiated a buy rating with a target price of $6. Apart from that, we do have a recent business update, but prior to that, let us see if there is any market insider trading. So yes, we do have till December 6th, but the problem is most of them are on the sell side. So you can probably say that one half of the selling is coming from the insider, themselves. And until and unless this insider stops selling, we can't have any respite. Okay, so this is one of the reason. Now let's go to the update and let's see what we have here right now. So if you're looking at the business update, so this company focused on development and manufacturing of long-term implantable continuous glucose monitoring system for the people with diabetes today announced operational and financial business update. So these are all the updates they have recently posted. I think let me read one or two important lines. Now, reiterating 2021 financial outlook, exception for full year 2021 global net revenue to be on the middle of the revenue guidance range of $12 million to $15 million. And apart from that, all the things are related to FD&A and the other things. Forward-looking expectations or forward-looking statements we have here. So the expected net revenue for the full year 2021 and the full year 2022, the timing and outcome of the potential decision on the 180-day ever since system from the FD&A, the timing, effectiveness and readiness of a launch of the 180-day ever since, the ability to collaborate, the ability to smooth transition patients, physicians and payers, the impact on existing inventory and transition, timing on the financial results. So there are lots of ifs and buts. So if you want, you can go and read out all these things. So maybe if somebody finds or a big investor finds something soothing out of it, it's another thing. So he or she can definitely have a look on it. Now, apart from that, there are some generalized questions. So these are like people also ask, is Senseonics a good stock to buy, or who is buying Senseonics stock? So probably insiders are selling right now. So we need to see, but the question about is Senseonics a good stock to buy or not, let us try to answer this question with the help of chart along with the chart analysis we regularly do. That's the important part of the whole analysis. Now if you're looking at this particular trend or the particular chart, you can divide it into two parts, right? So this is the major range we have here, and the problem is we can't go beyond the range until and unless the stock itself makes a breakout or breakdown. So what we have here right now are something like this. First of all, you have an immediate support of 2.4742, and on the downside you have your stop loss, which is in between 1.78 and 1.65. So primarily you have these two things on the downside, so better if you don't go below 2.42, and most importantly to not go below 1.8 and 1.65. So this is the first thing. Now if the stock sustains above 2.42, right now what we can do here is 4.3 and 5.4. so this is what we're gonna look at as far as the trend is concerned, right? So this is what we have here. If you further subdivide it, you have 3.44, you have 4.35, and you have 5.39 or 5.4. So these are the three specific targets which we have here right now. Now understand one more thing, that the stock is anyhow very volatile, and if it goes higher, then it is fine. Otherwise you need to know your stop loss and don't try to go below stop loss or support levels. After that, the question which is Senseonics a good buy or not? Now it depends. If you're looking at the chart, it depends upon the levels or how it is holding. If the stock is holding right now above 2.42, you have three specific targets to look at. Beyond 5.4 we have to wait. If the stock makes a move beyond 5.4, then we have to reanalyze it. Right now we are inside a range which is in between 1.65, or I would say $1 on the downside and 5.4 on the upside. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.